Hello, folks. So this year we had a very bountiful mango season. You know, we got a whole lot of mangoes from our neighbors and stuff, and we used them in many different ways as much as we could. And so I was always trying things, experimenting. We did mango ice cream, we did a whole bunch of smoothies and stuff like that. Today I wanted to make a different type of mango dish or a mango condiment, and so I'm going for a mango habanero pepper sauce, is a mango hot sauce or a mango habanero sauce, whatever you want to call it. I'm using Scotch bonnet, some of you call it mango Scotch bonnet sauce. Check out the ingredients and of course, see how we can use up a mango them, right? Check out the ingredients right now as we begin this one from Yard Belly TV. And let me tell you. These are one of the most common mangoes around and, quite meaty, and so this is one of the mangoes that we did get a lot of from our neighbors and we love them, because of the fact that they make great smoothies and stuff. But also we wanted to savor the East Indian and the other ones that we really like and we miss from Jamaica. So these are the ones that I'm going to be using. As a matter of fact, I've been using all the mangoes that seemingly are overripe. And the first thing I want to do is cut them up. So we'll just get them cut up and then we're good to go. So here I have a bunch of mangoes cut up in my kitchen pan. And what I went ahead and did was cut up all the mangoes that were overripe or getting to that stage, clean them up, and I put some in a nice little plastic bag, put that in the freezer so that can be used for smoothies. And we're gonna go ahead and start the ball rolling with these mangoes right here. I also have some diced carrots that I'm going to be using, and carrot was one of the recommended ingredients based on the different YouTube videos that I did watch. So this is going to be a culmination of a bunch of different YouTube videos and we're going to get it done. All right, let me show you the rest of the ingredients. Let's go. So here we have the peppers, guys. We have a couple Scotch bonnet, and these are taken from my freezer. So that's why you see them look a little bit wet and a little bit soggy. So I have Scotch bonnet, I have habanero, I also have some chilies. I have a bunch of garlic here, guys, maybe about 7 or 8 garlic clove. I have a little piece of scallion, and I like the scallion because of that dark green color. It's gonna add a nice like, variety to the mango sauce. I have a purple onion there. I have a lemon. I have some apple cider vinegar, and I have some sea salt. What I'm pretty much gonna do is wash all of these ingredients and dump them in the food processor and begin to make our sauce. Let's go. So I have my carrots in already, and I'm just gonna add my mangoes. Awesome. Mango them look nice, and these mangoes are so sweet. So sweet. Over here I have all the rest of the ingredients, and guys, I'm gonna use the pepper seeds. I'm gonna put the pepper seeds in it. I understand the recipe called for about 5 pepper, but because I'm gonna use the seeds, I know I don't need to put 5 pepper. I just wash them off and pretty much see, should I use all the pepper seeds? I think she want me to use all of the pepper seed then. They are all hot. All right, now I'll take off the seeds off the green ones. I'm gonna use the green ones without seeds. And then, well, the green ones don't smell that hot to me. The one that smells the hottest is this one. And this look like one of the Trinidad scorpion pepper. I'm gonna use the whole of this one. Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. Hot, guys, it's hot. You can smell your pepper and know it's hot. And then guys, also make sure say no washing a hand or use a gloves. Take out the seed out of that one. These Thai chilies are really good numbing chilies, and so I'm adding those, And then the rest of it is the garlic, and I'm cutting up this scallion and I add that to it as well. I like that the little bits of green, and scallion have a vibe, have a look a buzz. I'm also gonna cut up my purple onion. All right, and you can use a lot of onion, guys. If you have a nice medium-sized onion, you could use that. This is one of the easier ways to do it. A lot of people blanch and do everything beforehand, but I like it that way. Next thing I'm gonna add is my apple cider vinegar. And here I have my 1 cup size, my measuring cup, it's 1 cup. And I'm pouring in my apple cider vinegar. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I'm also measuring out a tea. This is a teaspoon of salt. Adding the salt. And the apple cider vinegar and the salt is great for preserving the dish. And then I'm gonna put a lime. Let me cut this lime and then add it. All right, so I'm adding in my lime. The juice of 1 lemon, sorry, not lime, lemon. The juice of 1 lemon. And guys, after it gets to a certain point, then I will add the sugar. I'm gonna add a cup of sugar as well, brown sugar. There you have it. Let's pulse. Here we go. So that's the pulsing, and I'm just checking. Yeah, everything looks good. I'm gonna also finish up this with a hand blender. So everything looks good. Everything is nicely macerated. Yeah, look good, feel good. No major lumps. And I'm making this amount because I don't want to go ahead and make too much and then, you know, as my flagship amount. So I'm just do it that way. So let me show you guys how it look. Yeah, see how that look nice and rustic. Now if you're using mangoes that are stringy, you know, you're gonna want to strain this. I personally don't really want to strain it, so that's why I'm gonna go ahead and repulse it after I'm finished with the boiling process. So the next thing I'm gonna do now is start to boil it down, cook it down, and reduce it down, get it nice and vibesy. All right, so we're gonna go over to the stove and put it in our pot next. So here we have our pot, and I just went ahead and put maybe about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the pot, and that is just to facilitate the boiling process. And then I'm just gonna pour my mixture in. I'm not gonna really use any water more and so, but you know me already. I go try scrape out this little remnant and make sure so I get it out of the container. So that's the only other move I'm gonna make, but I'm not gonna add any water to this. I'm just gonna have it reduced down and we'll work with it from there. Oh, the next thing I'm gonna do is add the sugar. Yes, I'm gonna add sugar next. Yeah, so here we have it now on the stove, and depending on how sweet your mangoes are, you're gonna want to add sugar. I'm gonna add a 1/2 cup of sugar to this one. I'm using brown sugar, and you want to stir this in. All right, and you're gonna leave this to reduce for maybe 10 to 15 minutes on a low heat or low to mid heat, and just allow this to just cook down. And then you're gonna also stir it constantly, so ever so often, so that it doesn't burn and it doesn't also get like cake up. All right, so I'm gonna start the ball rolling by starting to dissolve the sugar, get the sugar dissolved in, and from there we see what happens next. All right, righto. Now the sugar will also offset the vinegary taste, and it will also tone down the habanero taste. All right, I actually tried it, and I'm getting a nice vibe already. So let's see what happens, how it pick up. All right, let's go. Nice. Let's see if we can get it to start boiling. And we are almost at the point where we're gonna turn it off. Now it's been just around 15 minutes, and we have reached to that place now where we're gonna use our handheld blender and just try to tighten it up. The taste is amazing, guys, and I added my own little stuff to it to create a little vibe, a little buzz. One of the things that I plan to add right now as I turn it off is a little bit of vanilla. A little vanilla, I feel like, goes a long way. I also added some liquid smoke, and I also added some Angostora's bitters, just to brighten up that citrusy vibe that I'm getting from it. But guys, look at it. Nice. Just want to get this the rusticness of it, the texture down a little bit, and then we're pretty much good to go. Yeah, man. So loving it. Let's see what happens next. So guys, after blending for a while, this is the consistency, way smoother than before, and I'm just allowing it to cool down now, and then I'm gonna put it in some bottles. I was considering whether or not I should strain it, but the wife says she loves this consistency, and so we're gonna use it in the form of a dip or a jam or something like that. You could pepper sauce, but not the one where you shake out or flash out. The one that you just open the bottle and use. So it's beautiful, guys. Nice and peppery, and the mango flavor is just intense. Don't, babes? Very. Trust me. Nice. I love it already, guys. I love it. I can't wait to put it with some jerk chicken or something and make it see how it look. Remember, me tell you. Oh, jeez, I love it. And here we have it, guys. Our mango sauce cooled and put in little glass bottles. Guys, me have to try it, but me never have nothing ready, so me just say me have to try it on a piece of crackers. You understand? So me take out a crackers or a piece of pita bread, pita crackers, and me I try it. The consistency is so nice, guys. It's almost like a jam or a dip. And I tell you, the pepper is perfect. The mango sweetness is right, the right amount of sugar. You have the garlic flavor, nice. The seasoning, it have a little smoke vibe to it. I promise you, ladies and gentlemen, this one turned out excellent. I like the recipe here, so I'm going to hold on it, and I'm going to definitely be making some more. I don't know, depends on where you're there, but neck of the woods, you might can get a little sample, but let's see what happens. I promise you, this mango habanero sauce or mango pepper sauce is worth trying in your neck of the woods. Yard Belly TV, you understand? Remember, live and laugh, cook, and make sure say you eat. And put mango pepper sauce on it. It's well worth it. Big up on yourself. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Please and thanks. And remember, like, share, and subscribe. Okay? Thank you so much. Blessings to you all.